Going to send you one video. This is the Arousa Ria, this side, and there, that sand is Dunas de Corrubedo, and at this side, snow, there are trees, Ria de Muros Noia. So, this is the Curota mountain, Ria de Noia, Dunas de Corrubedo, Cabo Corrubedo, and there is Ribeira, Illa de Sálvora, and Ria de Arousa. And there, in the end, at the end of the video, Illa de Arousa, Arousa Island, Sálvora Island, and this side is all Ria de Arousa, the big one.